If you want to see how I created this beautiful wall decor, then keep watching. Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating some more wall art. I love my wall art. I love anything that has a clear element to it. I'm using a Dollar Tree garden dish and one of the Dollar Tree mirrors, and I'm going to glue the mirror to the dish, and then I am going to also put some of the Glam Glitter going around the dish. So let's get started, guys. I'm using some epoxy as usual because I don't like to, when I put things together and they start falling apart on me, I like to do it the first time and not have to repeat it. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of my Glam Glitter around the mirror. Next, I'm going to pour just a little bit more of the epoxy resin on top, and that's to catch any loose glitter that's not holding. And just a little bit more of the glitter around it. I'm going to set this to the side, let it dry, and I'll come back and show you how it looks on the wall. This was such a quick and easy wall decor piece. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.